What we've got here is a product called the Motion Pillow, and the objective of this device is to help you stop snoring. Now, there's some tech involved here, so it starts off with this little device next to your bed. This is linked to the pillow. Now what this does, this can detect when you're snoring. When it detects that you're making a sound, obviously the snoring will wake this product up, but then slowly inflate the pillow. What that does is then force your head to move and thereby stop you snoring. So you're probably going to roll over when the pillow is inflated. Rather than waiting for an elbow from your wife or your husband, this is what you're going to feel. Now, there's also some smarts involved as well. So the app that's connected to the product can even track your sleep stats as well. So you can see every night how well you're sleeping, how often you're snoring. So hopefully with the Motion Pillow, you can stop snoring altogether.